Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Outdoorman. We're here on the property. The first look at it, I've been here for about an hour before, where we located the pins. That's our first state of affairs here, is to find out where this property actually goes. So let's give you a tour of this. Let's give you a tour of this lush green forest here. See where we're gonna set up camp. So here we go, guys. 0.6 acres that way. So the first marker, remember it being just down a little hill. Looks like it did some fresh cleaning in here, which is awesome. So you can zoom out. There you go. Okay, there's a ribbon. That's good. There's a pin. There's a pin. All right, so there's one. Great success. Let's give this a spray. There's one. Uh-oh. We got 3 more to find. Okay. So here we are. Here we are. We made it. So we got from that pin over there. We're going this way. It was a ways. Trailer held up great. This used to be a traffic message board sign. Now look at it. It's a beauty. Anyway, okay, we keep going. And there was a double tree. I think we keep going a ways here. Okay, there's 2 trees over here. So let's go in here. Whoa, pin. All right. See that? There's 2. It's awesome. So now we got to get a line from there to our first one over there. That's where we parked. And we got 2 more pins in that direction. Should we go for a walk? Want to go check out the property? Like I say, I've been here for about 1 hour, and then we purchased this thing. This is going to be the quad trail right here, coming down and in. I'm going to have to find somewhere in Bushwhack to camp tonight. I was planning on camping on the road, but not quite on my property, and I don't really know the neighbors yet, so I'm going to camp on my property. So I brought an extra tent. I'll show you guys the truck tent next time. Now we're staying in a 20-year-old tent that's been all the way to New Zealand and back. Okay, so there's our pin. So we're going straight this way. Just to give you an idea how thick it is. It's about up to here. 2-3 feet. Okay, double tree. Straight shot. Oh boy, supposed to have Buddy coming out here with me today, but got a little delayed, so I'm hoping he makes it tonight or tomorrow. Double tree, keep going straight. Because I would really like to string these out and find out what's ours, because I think I'm on the line, so I think like these are the neighbors. Hello. And then this is ours. Hey. But I don't know exactly. Oh, it looks like a pretty marshy. Oh, a creek of some kind down there. Whoa, looks like I almost stepped in her. Holy Batman. Oh, that's some nasty stuff too. Okay, we're gonna have to do some clearing before I can even get to the back of the property. I'll show you what I see if I can get there safely. I think it's called Devil's Club. Look at this stuff. Look at that. We're not walking through there. This stuff's mean. It's mean all the way down and all the way up. So we're gonna have to cut that down. So let's see if we can find another route here. Back to where we came from. Watch the hole. I wonder if I can jump this. Is this a bad idea? Considering I can't see where this muck anything is. Okay. Oh, I did bring a hedge trimmer. I did bring a weed whacker, but I don't think the trim line I got is going to be thick enough for all of this. This looks more to hedge trimming material. So let's find this other pin and walk straight line this way as far as we can. Right there. There's the orange. So we're going to go straight this way. Straight shot. Orange line. Whoa. Somebody's slash pile. I think it's over on the other side of those cedars. I'm gonna have to get some tools and just cut right down the middle. And we're just gonna have to cut down the middle and make a trail to the end, because there's a neighbor shack. See a boot tarp way down there? I think on that side of it, that's where we gotta get. And I think it's actually on the other side of these cedars. I can't really get there right now, so. Stepping blindly. So we want to go this way. Is it gonna let us? I think we got to get through all of this stuff. Yeah, we're gonna need some tools for this, man. We're back to this creek. Well, that's all right. Let's come in here and start ripping and shredding, I guess. I don't know how we're gonna get level tonight. We might just end up sleeping on some boards. Oh, first one. You got me. Skeet, skeet. Oh, there's one on my back. All right, don't stop moving is the trick. Yeah, they're all over. All right. Time for some bug spray and some tools, I suppose. Yeah, we're gonna have to make a plan here. I knew it was gonna be green, but let me tell you, this is some next level. Ugh. This is some next level. But we know where we're going from there to there. We can almost clear enough to get the truck right to here. I don't know if we really want to bother though. Yeah, a little Christmas tree. Charlie Brown. So that's what we got, guys. A project to behold. Not sure how much I'm going to show of cleanup of this, just because I really want to get stuff done, and I don't have a computer or any way to send these, so kind of limited as to how much I can film. Anyway, it's the beginning. It's the beginning of a new era. You can probably see the bugs flying around. Hope you like this. If you like this kind of stuff, please subscribe. There's gonna be lots to come. Priority 1 is an outhouse. That's what we got loaded on there. I'm gonna get some gloves on. I don't know if I'm better in shorts or boots right now. I'm gonna get scratched up in shorts. I'm gonna overheat. And pants. Decisions, life decisions. Look at the size of this cotton tree. Holy jeez, man. See it swaying around up there. She's gotta go. Anyways, guys, I hope you join me for this adventure. It's a new chapter. Thanks so much. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.